There's an information explosion like a population explosion. How on earth are you going to scan all that information? How fast can you go? Duty, 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 going to chur, 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 chur. Going chur, chur, chur. If we are trying to control and understand the world through conscious attention, which is a scanning system, which is a scanning system, which is a scanning system, which takes in everything bit, 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 bit. What we're going to run into is that if that's the only method we rely on, everything is going to appear increasingly too complicated to manage. Yes, of course you can get computers to help you in. The sooner you become more efficient in doing this, the more the thing is going to develop, so that you will have to have more efficient computers still to assimilate all the information. So you see, there's this problem of the sort of competition of consciousness, competition of consciousness, competition of consciousness. But it's the same old problem. There is a fundamental difference between a mechanism and an organism. An organism grows. So we reduce the infinite wiggliness of the world, the infinite wiggliness, the infinite wiggliness. But supposing there were some other way of understanding things,